Right, let's go to Google Colab. Log into your account. And I'm going to open up my file, open notebook. So this is actual test data that I can relate to, and so can you, because you know now that I have solar panels. There we go. Great. Let's just make this a little bit bigger. I'm a little bit older than Samuel. In the test, I asked you to explain the following lines of code. F is a variable name. Open file. If you notice on the left-hand side, it does not have any files open. So if I run this program right now, it should not run because it does not have any files open on the left-hand side. In order to upload this file, I click on the button that says upload to session storage. There we go. Can you see it says file not found? Right? File not found. So let me go and upload this file. The file should be in my BAAI 102 folder. Right, so there's the file. It is, I forgot the name of the file that I'm talking about here. The name of the file is Prinavin's house 11 August data from solar text format.txt. So upload the file. Look for it in my folder. I think it's this file. Oh, text format. Okay, wrong file. Delete the file. Text format is the last words. Okay. This one. Right. Now that I have the file uploaded, and if I run the lines of code, it should work. Yay, it worked. Right, so what happens is 1, 2, 3 lines of code generates my data. Now I'm using matplotlib to plot a graph for me. No, oh, okay, it plotted the graph, right? Let's plot the graph. In the next test, I'm going to talk about all of these things, about plotting the graph, and it's not working. Oh, man. Oh, it can't work because I don't have the file uploaded. So the file is called time and pv.xlx. So let's go and upload that file, the data file. Where's time and pv? Oops, I don't have it there. Let's look for that file. Time
So you paused it there. Aibo.
Did I accidentally delete that file?
It's there. Aibo.
Ah, there we go. Time and PV. It's found inside B. There's the file. Right? So let's go and upload that file. I want to draw a graph. There it is, time and photovoltaic. So if I look at my left-hand side, there's the file. Now I want to run my code. I want to draw a graph. Run the code, and it should give me a graph. Let's talk about what's happening in the lines of code. Import matplotlib.myplot-plt. So I don't have to write down matplotlib.pyplot. All I got to type in is plt. So if you look at the lines of code at the bottom, it says plt.plotxy. plt. So I'm using the commands in matplotlib, the library, and I'm plotting time versus photovoltaic current. Where I'm talking about training and testing my data, that will be for the next lesson. But for now, I'm simply plotting this graph. And there's the graph out here. Right, I'm graph. So you'll notice in the morning, there's no sunlight. As the day progresses, well, this happened on the 11th of August. The graph basically tells you, in terms of a scatter plot graph, the amount of energy the solar panels were able to achieve. Right? Now, I could share this with you very simply. I'm simply clicking on the share button. But you need to also have the data files. I'm going to copy that. You need to have the data files, time and pv.xls. And you also need to have my data from my home. Copy the link. Let's put this into our WhatsApp group. So you click on the link, and you should have my Google Colab. Right. So let me also upload those two files for you. Where was the time and right? And it was under
The time was there, so
there's it, right? So there's the file, the Excel file, and you also need the one in text format.
yeah.
That one. No, that's
No,
CSV. Right. So you can have different formats: text, CSV, Excel. Right. So now this is what I want from you. I want you to import my file into Colab. I want you to upload time and photovoltaic data. Colab. Science. You need the files. See what's happening on the other side. Anybody was able to load this file? And to draw a graph from my data. That's all I want y'all to do here. Load the file. I know you don't know what's going on. Ask the computer to draw a graph for me. NumPy, pandas. There's the code to draw the graph. PLT, wherever you see PLT, I'm plotting a graph. Time in inverted commas, that's the label. PV is the label. PV versus time. PV stands for photovoltaic. Ignore train X, train Y, test X, test Y. Ignore all of that right now. Color equals red. Let's change the color to blue. I'll show you what happens. Blue is my favorite color. Did you change it? Let's make it orange. Let's see if orange works. It didn't change it.
It didn't. Oh, so maybe since it's been saved as the same name, does it mean overwrite?
It should over it. Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, check this out. If I change the word false to true, let's see if it gives me grid lines. True, capital TRUE. Ah, there's the grid lines. Right, so it took the code. It takes true and false. So on Thursday, I'll explain to you what each one means. Matplotlib, plot XY. Here's your mathematics, high school mathematics. Anybody log in? Matplotlib. Google Colab. Where's my Google Colab? Where's my Google Colab? Technically at home. Here's someone Google Colab. Google Colab. Ah. There we go, Google Colab, lovely. Thank you, Samuel.
Why would it be easier if I? Then we have to go to the. I don't understand why we don't do it in that second direction. Any of them? Let's see. Yeah, it shows you how I see it. We have I mean, and then like I found it really bad. But it's really big more than in but the thing is, actually, No, only problem is used to be right now. Nature so that
Explain to him how you got the certificate for fundamentals of AI.
Actually, oh, I think
Piyush, can you type out those steps in the chat, right? Got it. You print it. I'll accept link submissions, right? If you don't know how to print the certificate, please ask. Don't keep quiet and not submit it, because I'm giving you marks for it. All right? This is where you become independent learners. Yes. Once you print it, I will ask to print, right? When I'm starting up the test. Quite a few of you did not submit, right? And I want you to learn. Please don't copy or do what we did, like Samuel went through it so fast. Samuel?
I'll go there.
What did I do? Nothing. I know students don't care. I will call you. So many things. My part-timers are worse.
What is that, Neil? What are you asking me, sir? Big man does. Sometimes. I made a phone. Right now, I will say